crescent moon represents fertility and motherhood. It is also a symbol of growth, creativity, and manifestation. In this yoga tutorial, we will go over high lunge, also known as crescent moon pose. This is a pose that displays growth, supported mostly by your legs, so your hands can reach the sky and manifest what your heart desires. Let's explore this pose together, so grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Starting 4 points, tabletop position. Step forward with your right foot in between your hands, making sure the knee is in line with your ankle and avoid having the knee falling inwards. Engage the back toes, stretching the sole of your foot to find the full extension of the back leg, pressing the heel towards the mat. Ground through the feet. Help yourself by placing your hands over your front thigh or sweep your arms out and up, palms facing towards each other. Lengthen your torso, open your chest, and sink your hips down towards the floor. Hold the pose for at least 5 breaths. And gently bring your hands onto the floor, framing your right foot again. Rest the back knee, release your toes, and step your right knee back into tabletop position. Now let's observe this one more time over the left side. Step forward between your hands with your left foot, making sure the knee is aligned over the ankle. Engage the back toes, stretching the sole of your foot to find the full extension of the back leg, pressing the heel towards the mat. Remember to keep the back leg active and press firmly through the feet to help with your balance and stability. Keep your hips low, facing the front of the mat. Your center of gravity is there. Softly begin to bring the hands back down onto the ground. Rest the back knee, release your toes, and bring the left knee onto the ground in tabletop position. If you're a more advanced practitioner, you can take this pose starting with downward facing dog. The link to that tutorial is up top. Remember to keep practicing so you can reach higher and manifest what your heart desires. From my heart to yours, Namaste.